This is the inlet, I think. They are parking their boats here. Small boats, big boats, and they are repairing their boats also from this place. After that, they are going towards. This is VEERAVAL port area. Here I can see lots of ships. See, they are under small repairs, and also I can see very old ships here, already abandoned. I think abandoned, and here new ships are under construction. Okay, already one ship finished. Two ships finished. I think internal works are going there. So if you stay here for one day, you can get lots of stories about ships. Okay, so here I am very interested about ships, but there is not much time to visit here. That's why I am taking simple video about these ships. These are boats, not ships. This is the propeller that moves the boat inside the water. This is very important. This is the direction. If they can change the direction of the boat with this. In flight also you can see this plane. Okay. Smell only, but they are very easy to manage that smell. That is the. This is VEERAVAL port. This boat is ready to stop. I think they are parking the boat here. Chalana, stop karna. Chalana, stop. Stop. They returned from the sea. They stopped the boat. Very nice, but I can't tolerate the smell. That is the big problem. We must be careful. If the camera fell down, total mobile will be lost. Nice vision. I'm the only cycle visiting here with my cycle. That's also good. You can see lots of old boats here. They are already came out from the shed. This is the place where the boats are dismantled. I cannot say the correct word. They are demolishing, and they want to get any useful things in the boat. They will get it. Otherwise, they will put it to them as a normal wood. Boat also. Okay.